In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the echo problem in Google Meet. So if whenever you're in a meeting, there's always an echo through your microphone, do this and it will help. So go to your Google Meeting, then go to the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, then click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Audio. You should see the microphone that you're currently using, which is fine. You can, however, change the speaker, ideally from the speaker on your computer to some headphones. So if you've got any headphones or earphones laying around, if you use the headphones or earphones, the sound won't come through the speaker and get picked up by the microphone, and this should fix it. If you don't have any earphones or headphones, you can just come to your volume in the bottom right and just bring the volume down a little bit so you can hear it, but it isn't getting picked up through your microphone. Another simple fix would just be to mute your microphone whenever you're not speaking so the other people's voices don't get picked up through it. You can just click this every time you want to turn the microphone on to speak and to mute. Or finally, another option will be to go to the three dots, go to Settings, go to Audio and enable Push to Talk. Once you enable this, you can then talk while we hold the spacebar down, meaning for the other times you will be muted, and then the only time you would speak is when you hold down spacebar, which would avoid the echo, as your microphone would only be turned on when you speak.